Right, so here we are. It's been 13 weeks since I ordered my Billy Boat exhaust for my 99 Dodge Viper. It finally showed up. I think it was a delay mostly due to some supply chain restrictions over at Billy Boat. I know they said they were waiting on some materials. And then, you know, in addition to that, I also am hypothesizing that a lot of people got their stimulus money and possibly bought some car parts. So that could have added to the wait time. So I'm just gonna go ahead. It's cold here in Dallas, so I'm not gonna be able to get this on today. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what the exhaust looks like. All right. Oh, sweet. Okay. So, just scoot this back so y'all can see. So it's got this nice foam padding in there. Alright, this looks like, yep, this is the resonator section that goes, this is going to be the driver's side, right like that. 3-inch, nice high quality stainless, beautiful welds. Let's see if we can maybe focus on that. Yeah, these welds are absolutely gorgeous. They have this, oh yeah, and you can actually see the resonator material. Looks awesome. Yeah, this looks super high quality. So yeah, this is the driver's side. Let me just put that right on top. Make sure you don't drop any of this. Another piece of packing. Oh, 2 boxes here. Probably some clamps. Maybe the reducer from the 2.5 to 3 inch. Yeah, that's what, these are the clamps. Some band clamps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I count 6. That's nice. Let's see. Okay, so these are the reducers, going from 2.5 to 3 inch. So my cat, since this is the catback, the cat delete pipe I have on there is 2.5 inches. So we have to expand that to the 3-inch pipe here, which will feed the resonators, just like that. Very nice, very nice. And I came with these other band clamps. Oh, because these go on the 2.5 inch side. Okay. That's nice. Comes with all that nice hardware. More packing. More packing. That is one good thing. They definitely pack these things up nice. They don't want them to get damaged when they ship them. So let me move the boxes I need over here. Okay. Oh yeah, now we're getting them all out. Okay. Packing. So I see the X pipe. Oh wow, that's beautiful. I see the resonator here. Passenger side. Wow, just absolutely beautiful. This is some high quality stuff. That's what everyone told me. You know, look at those welds on this thing. Absolutely gorgeous. All the way around. It's gonna be too dark for the camera to see, but you can see the absorption material there. They advertise this on their website. So, looking great. Put that right here. Top of the box. Package material. All right, now this is the section that sold me on the kit, the X pipe. The only kit I could find that had a true X pipe in it, which helps with scavenging. Oh wow, Billy Boat exhaust, February 2021, nice. Helps with scavenging, and also with the V10, makes it sound a little bit more exotic. That's what the reviews say. I'm gonna put this down while I pull off the tape on the muffler tips. The pride and joy. Look at these, baby. Oh man. Holy cow. That is gonna look pretty on the back of this thing. Look at those tips. So you get black tips for like 50 bucks extra, but I actually prefer the polished look. Wow. Again, just the welds on this thing. I am blown away with the quality of this. I mean, keeping it far away from my car, but look at that weld there in the X-pipe section. Absolutely beautiful. This is some top-notch stuff. And I imagine all their kits for all the cars they make look awesome. And hopefully the camera can pick this up. That BBE made February 2021. That is some pretty cool stuff. That's looks like it's torch cut, probably on a table. That's great, real great. Lets you know what you bought. So I'm gonna lay this over here on some of the styrofoam packing that came with. We're not quite done. We still have 2 more sections we gotta pull out of this. There's the other 2 sections. Now this is what connects the resonator to the X-pipe, and then the bung for the second O2 sensor. Yeah, nice bends, nice quality weld around the little bung they put on this. That looks great. And then let's check the very last piece. Make sure that looks good. It does. Again, beautiful little bung they put on there. Kit's all there. Looks like they did a good job. Delivered some premium products. And then we have instructions, some kind of booklet, an envelope. Oh, okay. Let's see what the envelope is. Oh, some cool stickers there. Billy Boat stickers, nice. So this looks like the engineering drawing. This gives you a breakdown of everything that came in this package. You know, the resonator, the pipe that connects the resonator and the X-pipe, and then the X-pipe. Breaks down the clamps and all that as well. And what we got here? Yeah, so this is just, looks like it's general instructions for installing. And I've taken this exhaust on and off enough times that I can do this in my sleep. Let's take you and get you close to the action. Again, so this is the resonator section. I just want you to see that weld. That is absolutely beautiful. Perfect. Even really great welds on the little hangers they put on here. Full stainless, and this should be lighter than what I have on there now. believe it or not, because I don't have a muffler section. This part where the X pipe is at, I have a muffler. And again, I'm gonna try and get this to focus. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Great craftsmanship. And I mean, I thought this was a great steal as well, for the price. And a Corsa was over twice as much as this. And that doesn't even have an X pipe in it. It's got 2 separate mufflers on either side, and they don't conjoin. Or if they do, it's like an H shape, not an X. So yeah, this is stunning. And again, just the BBE emblem there that breaks it down for where this was made. So next video I have, I'm gonna install this on the Viper. I'll get some sound clips before and after, but it's gonna sound incredible. So that's unboxing my Billy Boat exhaust for my '99 Viper.